let's get the party. Get the party, let's get the party.
Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this hair color right here. So I'm going to show you how I transform this wig right here. Yes, this wig. I'm going to transform it into this one. So if you want to see how I got it, then please continue to watch. And this hair color was actually inspired by She Is The Beauty. I follow her on Instagram and her work is absolutely amazing. So I wanted to recreate this color for myself. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. Alright, so let's transform this wig, and the wig that I'm showing you guys today is from Julia's Hair, and all the instruction is on the back of the packaging. It basically shows you how to wash your wigs, how to take care of it, how to put it on, and you also get 2 wig caps. Now this is what the wig looks like. So it's a lace frontal wig, so it's not a full lace wig, and it has 3 combs and adjustment straps in the back as well. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what she's looking like right now. She's 613 hair color, and I like using 613 because I can create a lot of fun colors with it, and I don't have to bleach the hair to transform it into a different color. So now I'm going to apply some Vaseline all over that lace, and this is just going to act as a shield to protect our lace so we don't get our lace all stained when we color it, because honestly, red dye on your lace would not look cute. So we got to protect that lace. So I'm just going to put the hair into small sections to prepare it for dyeing, and these are the colors that I'm using. So I'm using the Joico, hopefully I said that right, semi-permanent in the shade Peach, and I have 2 bottles of this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour that into my mixing bowl and just mix it all around. And I'm going to take Flaming Orange and Intense Red by Kiss Colors Tintation, and I'm actually mixing them together. So I'm putting both of them in the mixing bowl, mixing it up together, and then we're going to start coloring this hair. So I'm going to go in with the peach shade first. Right now this peach is looking a little bit more on the pink side, which is not what I'm going for. It doesn't look peach at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this Flaming Orange from Kiss, and I'm gonna mix it into the peach, and that's the color I end up with. So it's looking more on the peachy side now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it again all over the hair. I should have done a test color first, but I didn't. And I'm gonna go in with the darker shade, and I'm just going to apply that on the ends of the hair. And because I'm working with different colors, I always keep a little raggedy towel on standby so I can wipe my hand before I go ahead and color the other strands of hair. That way I don't get it all messy. So always wipe your hand off once you move on to coloring the other side of the hair. Anyway, so we're gonna follow the same steps all over again, and I'm just going in with that peach first at the roots, and then I go in with the darker shade, and you want to make sure you distribute the color all through the hair. So you can go in with a comb, or you can go in with your hand and just make sure you blend that in nicely. I want it to have a really nice ombre effect, and I'm gonna go in with a saran wrap just to protect the hair so they don't touch each other when we go up higher to color the other sections of hair as well. Now, before you guys ask me, why didn't you just do the watercolor method? I don't always want to do the watercolor method, okay? That's one reason. And the other reason is the Joico dye. I don't know if you guys see the consistency of it. It's a very thick and almost like a toothpaste thick, so that wouldn't work very well for watercoloring. So that's why I did not watercolor, and I really wanted that peach shade, and it was really hard to find a peach shade dye, so I had to mix to create the shade. Anyways, so I'm doing the same thing at the very top. When you get closer to the lace, try not to be very heavy-handed because you don't want to stain that lace. Even though you protect your lace with Vaseline or even got to be free spray, just take your time with it and not be too heavy-handed because you can end up staining the lace. And this is how it looks. Now, I left it in for about 30 minutes and then I washed it off camera, and I did not use any shampoo and conditioner whatsoever. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my tweezer and start tweezing up that hairline just to make it look a bit more on the natural side. It is a pre-plucked wig, so it's already been pre-plucked. However, I find that tweezing it just makes it look a little bit more natural. Because it's pre-plucked doesn't mean it looks natural at the hairline. Hey! So I'm just going to go in now with my blow dryer and I'm going to start blowing her out and styling her. I'm going to style it mainly while it's on my head, but I have to blow her out first. Now I'm just going to go in with some Ion hair serum. This is the one I mainly use. It's either this one or the Chi hair serum. And I'm just going to apply it all over the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron to straighten her. This is the Babeless flat iron. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like while it's straight. And I am living for this color. I love it. And I'm all done straightening. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the ends, but I will be cutting this some more because once I put it on, I was just like, oh, I think I want it just a little bit shorter. So this is how the hair is looking straight. I haven't laid her down yet, and I'm really feeling the color. And this is the very next day. So I actually applied the wig off camera the day before, and then I didn't like how I applied it. I was really rushing it, so I took it off and reapplied. I do have a very detailed video on how I apply my wigs. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just applying one layer of glue. You can add multiple layers. It depends on how long you want to be wearing this wig for. I knew I was going to be wearing it for more than a couple days, so I didn't want to apply too much glue. So I applied the glue, and then I'm going to go in with my fishtail comb. Make sure the glue is dried so it dries clear, and then I put the lace down, and then I go in with some Got To Be Free Spray, melting that lace down into that glue. And make sure when you're using your blow dryer, it's on the setting cool. So I applied some glue on the sides as well. I am doing the ball cap method, so I always have a wig cap. I do have videos on that, how I do my ball cap method and how I apply my wigs as well. I will link that video in the description bar down below. So nothing's really changed as far as how I apply my wigs. And I just like going in with the Got To Be Free Spray as well, because I feel like it helps to hide the tiny little holes on the lace so you can't see them, if that makes any sense. So I am doing the same thing on the other side as well. So apply the glue, wait for it to dry clear, and then I go in with my fishtail comb. So my wig is all done, and I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer, blow her out, and then I'm gonna take my scissors. Please don't laugh at me. These scissors are so raggedy. Like, they're dull. I do have better ones. I just don't know where they are. I'm very unorganized sometimes. Anyways, so I'm just going to cut some layers into the hair, and it's up to you how short you want it to be. I'm happy with the length and how it's looking right now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab small sections of hair, and I'm going to go in with my flat iron because I don't want to wrap my hair straight today. I want to put some curls in it. So I'm just going to curl it away from my face. I'm not the best when it comes to curling hair, but you know, I'm trying. So I'm just gonna go in with the flat iron, wrap that hair around, hold it for about like 10 seconds. And actually, no, I did not hold it for 10 seconds. I just wrapped it around and then let it go. So yeah, it's pretty much easy, and I'm repeating the same steps all over, grabbing more sections of hair and just wrapping it around the flat iron. And as for this wig, you can pretty much wear it in a center part, side part, half up, half down. Like I mentioned before, it is a lace frontal, so it's not a full lace wig. I've used Julia's hair before in the past. I have videos with their hair, and I love their bundles. The quality, it's actually one of my favorite 613 hair, and I don't usually say that a lot, but the quality is really good. As for the wig, this is my first time trying out the wig, so I need a couple more days to like tell you guys if the quality is like thebomb.com. But as for the bundles, I really like their bundles. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure the top is not looking bulky, it's nice and flat. And then I'm gonna take some hair mousse just to lay her down. I don't know what brand mousse this is that I'm using. I just know I got it from my daughter's room. I usually use the brand So Gorgeous that I get from Sally's, so I'm not sure what brand this is, but it worked just as well. So I'm just applying this at the very top, and yeah, this is pretty much the look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this wig transformation. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.